Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable caller ID and spam protection option in your Infinix smartphone. If you have not enabled this and unknown calls and fraud calls are coming to yourself, and how you can uh, report this and fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, open the phone app, click on this at the right side. You can see settings button. You can see this unknown numbers identification. Click on it and you can see this intelligent identification. You have to enable this, and it report and identify unknown numbers for calls and messages. It alerts you and reminds you that it's unknown number, and it shows on red mark. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.